The bandsaw is a real workhorse of the workshop. It is used to quickly and easily cut and size material. As with all machines in our workshop, it has its own safe systems of work notice with valuable and important information regarding health and safety. The machine has its own start and stop button, green to start and red to stop. Its own emergency stop button in case you get into any difficulties. And down here on the floor is a large red button, again for stopping the machine, but this time with your foot. It is important that before you start any work on this machine that all adjustments are made. It is important that a minimum amount of blade is exposed when cutting your work. So depending on the thickness and size of the piece of work will depend on how much blade is exposed. Please ensure that all these adjustments are made before you start the machine. For accurate cutting of straight lines, you can position this guide onto the machine bed. Slide it along, put it into position and lock it down tight. Again, as soon as you have made all your adjustments, you can then start the machine up. Once all work is complete, we ask you to tidy down the machine, sweep it free of dust and leave it tidy for the next person.